Is Vizio SmartCast a smart TV? Let's clarify. Yes, Vizio TVs equipped with SmartCast are considered smart TVs. SmartCast is Vizio's proprietary smart platform, offering internet connectivity and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and more. It also supports features like screen mirroring from your smartphone or other devices and integrates with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa for added convenience. However, not all Vizio TVs come with SmartCast. Some models are basic TVs without smart functionalities. If you're looking for a smart TV experience, ensure the Vizio model you're considering includes SmartCast. While it may not have the same app variety or polish as platforms like Android TV or Samsung's Tizen OS, SmartCast provides an affordable and user-friendly option for streaming and entertainment. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.